Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's been a long time that I haven't posted anything to this channel. So because I was busy with my job and recently I found that there is a new game. Mm, I saw the trailer online on YouTube about the game, which is the Blair Witch. So I'm so excited to play that game. So what I'm decided right now is to show you how to download and how to install that game. So I have just downloaded that game from the website called Crow Has It. Anything you want or any game you want to download, you can get it from Crow Has It. Okay, so I don't want to show you the um, website because I just told you the name of the website, so you can go and download the game from there, the Blair Witch. Okay, so after downloading the game, you will get the zip file like this. It is 13.3 GB of file size. So after downloading, you will get this. So whatever I have, as I already told you, that I have just downloaded that game. I don't know if the download is corrupt or whatever it is. I'm not sure about that, but if it is perfect download, then no error will be there. So let's get started with the process of installation of the Blair Witch game. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click on this and extract the file and click OK. You can also give the destination folder where you want it to be extracted, but right now I want it to be on the same folder. So it will depend upon the um, power of your PC. If you have strong PC, the extraction process will be more faster than the lower spec PC. As far as my PC specs, my PC is just a simple low end PC. I'm using 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, 710 GTX 710 graphics card, and i3 8100 processor. Yes, this is low end. The only best thing for me is the RAM. I have 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and the rest of the thing, the processor and the graphics card is not high end. So my PC is low spec. So if I am able to run that game on my PC, then anything higher specification PC can run this game if I can run it on low specs PC. So let's see what will happen at the end of this extraction process. Right now it is 29-30%. So wait till the end, and if you really like this tutorial, then you can just simply subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, so here we go. Now as I can see that the Blair Witch folder is right there, 13.6, and the original game is of size of 13.3. Not a big difference. When I double click on it, there is a how to run game document available for you. Okay, one more thing that I wanted to tell you, that make sure you have latest DirectX updates. You have to be completely upgraded or updated graphics card software. Make sure that you, if you have any DLL errors, then make sure you install the DirectX. Okay, so let's see how to run game folder, what it has. So it says that to play the game, go inside the Blair Witch project, which is this. Right click and run Blair Witch as administrator. If you get any missing DLL error, go inside the Redist folder and install DX web setup. Okay, so Redist DX web setup. Now let's see if it works or not. So this is Blair Witch. I'm gonna right click on it and run as administrator. Let's see if it works. It is asking me for the administration rights. Click yes. and I hope it all goes well. The screen is right now black. Okay, so as you can see, the game is running on my screen right here. I haven't heard, there is no sound at all. I don't know why the screen again goes black. I don't know if it is an issue or something, I don't know. Okay, so photosensitivity, epilepsy. If you have a history of epilepsy, seizure, consult the doctor before you use it. So this is some kind of a warning on the screen, you can see there. Okay, this game using an autosave feature. Please do not shut down the game when you see this icon. Okay, now as you can see that I have successfully run this game. Yeah, I am using Zebronic headphones, overhead headphones, gaming headphones, 7.1 simulation sound, surround sound. Okay, so press any button to start. Okay, adjust the slider until the logo on the left is barely visible. Okay, let's see. Oops, I have pushed it so far. I think this is good. Continue. So as you can see, I can run this game without any difficulty. So hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you like this tutorial, then make sure you subscribe, like and share my channel. Okay, for more videos, stay connected. Till then, signing out for now.